This is the unboxing of the HTC VIVE. I guess this is version 1, first edition, because I'm pretty sure there's gonna be other editions. Let's see. Requires VR capable computer. What? Oh man, a lot of money. Okay, not much on the box. What? Man, look at all these features. Can't even read them. Okay, opening the box. Box opening commence. Empezamos. Really should get some tools for unboxing. Ooh, void. Oh, void things. I know this wasn't open before. This is not the best way to open this. Oh, good. Here we go. Alright, not so bad. Can't wait. What is happening? What is this? Okay. Kind of a black box here. Black box number 2. So there's a secret compartment and it's sticky. Maybe it's not really a compartment. Okay. Zip machine. Okay. Don't look at that. You don't want sunlight or nails in there. You gotta close those curtains and stay in your man cave. Or woman cave. Stuff in the secret compartment here. What is this? USB HDMI. Some adapter of sorts. Some extra padding, it seems. Cable, looks like this one's HDMI. USB, USID. Some glass cleaner. Thank you. Sticky thing. Ooh, stickers. I like stickers. Instructions. This is, usually I throw these away, but this is probably going to be important. Some sort of conductive device. Not really sure what this does. Some sort of alien technology here. Looks like like an audio jack thing. Maybe some headphones or a microphone. Hidden box. There was a hidden box. This looks like another power adapter. Second power adapter, probably for those black boxes. Basic mounting guide. Some mounting hardware. And maybe an extension cable. Yeah, some sort of audio-like cable. More stuff. More cables. USB. A charger. 2 charger things. Lots of electricity flowing through this guy. Some little content code, which I'm cleverly covering with my thumb. Use the code to redeem a content bundle for your Vive. I like content. Especially user-created content. Okay, it's an empty box. That was a lot of stuff, but I unboxed the HTC VIVE. And man, oh no, wait. Wait a second, see, check this out. Hidden compartment. What? It's in here. Oh, jeez. Instructions. Oh, this is gonna be great. Alright, now I did it. This is it. Finally unboxed the HTC VIVE. Have fun with this thing.